Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck, and today we want to introduce you to a new product that we're carrying here at LenBusch. It's a Hexagon wreath, and we are going to use two of these together, and I'm just gonna kind of braid them together so by pushing the one behind the other in a couple directions so that we get this great geometric updated shape. And we're going to create a bridal bouquet with this. And one of the things that we're going to start with for the mechanic are the Uglu strips. And these are a 1x3 strip from Smithers Oasis. And this is going to lock our hexagon in place. We're going to go from one side and then just bring it together. Don't stick it to your fingers. Bring it together there. And I'm going to do the same thing right over here. We'll go the back first so I can see it. It's always a good way to go, right? And we're going to just use the friction from your fingers to push those together and get a good seal. Peel it off. And on the one side, I'm going to just add a salal leaf there. And then here, I'm gonna add a salal leaf here. So we're going to make it two-sided. And I'm going to start with the foliage. And I'm just going to tap that in. Right there, and a second piece there, then flip it over and do the same. Tap it in here. There you can see a great start, just how that kind of romantic draping look. Then we're going to use a double face satin. This is a number 9. We're going to come in and just tie a bow up into the area where we're going to suggest that they hold it. And then that becomes a mechanic I can glue into as well. Then we're going to start gluing the flowers in with the floral adhesive. So the fillers and potentially the foliage, you can tap into the Uglu. Actually, we will add a little bit of Astilbe, tap it in, and then also some of the Bleached Ruscus. You can use a titanium scissors to be able to cut that Uglu. Can add another layer on there to just seal it in. And if you've got it mostly covered, so then I can add another piece right there. So something like Astilbe is a little bit of a softer flower, and so that would definitely need to be sprayed with a finishing spray like Crown and Glory or Finishing Touch to seal the water in it. And you would want to do it a little bit closer to the wedding. This is our metal ring bridal bouquet using the Hexagon wreaths put together. We use the Uglu strips to be able to attach in some of the foliages and filler flowers and another strip on top of it, kind of to lock some of those bigger pieces in. Then within the body, I used floral adhesive to glue in some of the larger flowers. As we finish this bouquet, you can see the variety of textures of materials that I've chosen to create that soft, romantic look. The last most important step is to spray it down with Crowning Glory. This is an anti-transparent spray, and it coats the flowers so that it holds the water that's in the flower, and it doesn't allow it to transpire. It'll create a lot longer lasting piece for your bride. And you can use some of these more tender flowers and feel confident that they're going to hold up for the bride. This bridal bouquet is a perfect complement to the centerpiece we created a couple weeks ago. We'll add the link below so that you can go and check that video out as well. If you have any questions on how to create this bouquet or any comments, whether you liked it or not, give us a thumbs up, ask some questions in the comments below, and otherwise make sure and hit that subscription bell so you can be notified anytime we upload new videos. We have a very extensive library in the LBR playlist that has videos from business advice to new product introductions, cooler tours, and also a variety of floral educational videos and inspirational videos. I hope to see you again soon, and I hope that I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.